She wants me. She got my boyfriend, cause you know she want breathe for me. She say, you know me why?
My team my business again. Voila! My girlfriend text me, babe. My not cheat for him. Let's do a little reaction. Alright, babe? I'm doing a little reaction. Okay, babe? Alright. Alright. I'm looking at you. Yo, Trinidad. Them for know so we Trinidad. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, straight out of Jamaica. This is the most lit reaction channel on YouTube as of 2020. This is the most lit reaction channel on YouTube and a whole. Right now, people have Medz Boss, Bad Gyal, official music video. You don't know chopping up people. Like the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. That's the aim, that's the goal for this year. 10k. I want to reach 10k before the year finishes. So please consider subscribing to my channel for the most lit reactions. I do vlogs, I do pranks, I do everything over here. So lit over here. So look at the comment section. Comment your flag. If you're in the Caribbean, anywhere in the world, if America, comment your flag down below in the description, in the comment section. Jano, me are mad. Comment your flag down below in the comment section, people. Let's run straight to the video. Medz Boss, Bad Gyal, Kusuwa go on right now. So from react to Prince Swani, well that's not in formula. Them start swing that one up my way. Them react to Medz Boss. What I want the name again? Which one is that? Blood. Them start say, yo, warm to Bad Gyal. Them go to react to boy, die. Pussy will get shot from boy. Them start swing that one up from away. Them go to react to Prince Swani again. What an expert. Them say Prince Swani expert I trust them, man. That's the one people say that to them. I wanna say it to them. And the Trinidad people them say it too, and I know me, you know. I know my Jamaican people them say it, you know. The Trinidad people them say it. But because I go on for Medz Boss, Bad Gyal. Because I go on, them say big girl night, and through the Trinidad people them watch me channel already know so big girl I'm look for. Them say, yo, run out. So because I go on the people, run out. Bing bang Z. Oh, me get to understand the Z-Tech is like Gaza or Gully, he's like a gang or something. Not really a gang, but it's like I don't want a musical movement then basically. You understand? Me get to understand. Me never know. Honestly, me never know. Run through now. Don't boy here for Jordan.
Say she want a bad man, you know.
Yeah. Bad. So Medz Boss, this is that guy Medz Boss people. I don't know. I don't know when positive video didn't come. No want the video get black. I want to see the video. I know chop already. So I am near Medz Boss. Become to watch a video and me only listen to the audio. Blood audio. Yeah, but run through. Hey! Yes, Gyal! Why? Well, on there! Yo. When you know I walk out, just walk out, but kindly for me, no baby. You see one? Alright, you see you first. Okay. You could have a little more breast, but the tilt and good for your trini, baby. Run through now.
Medz Boss, you know.
Alright, Medz Boss, big up. Why? Alright. Yes, Gyal. Yeah. You trini girl them outside. And the Jamaican boy I watch on now. Yeah.
My bad girl, my sad girl. 7 days in the week, the girl wants me.
Bumbo now, bad Gyal, my sign girl. 7 days in the week, the girl wants me. So imagine you have a bad girl for your side. Why? But may I get distracted by them beautiful young ladies here. But anyways, the guy say a bad girl, inside girl, 7 days of the week, inside girl wants to see him. Why if you now get mad and can say, well, on there, yeah, give me bun. Why if you get mad now and say that, you know? But run through.
She wants me. Woo! She got my boyfriend, cause you know she want breathe for me. Woo! She say, you know me why?
Why? My team my business again. Well, my girlfriend text me, babe. I'm not cheat for him. Let's do a little reaction. Alright, babe? I'm doing a little reaction. Okay, babe? Alright. I'm looking at you. Me and myself down because I look at the girls and mom can't start look at the girl. I want the blood. Keep that go on right there. So watch out.
She ban her boyfriend cause you know she want breathe for me.
John, and that she do? She ban her man because she want breathe for Medz Boss. She left her boyfriend because she want breathe for Medz Boss. No, that's harsh. Very harsh indeed. Run tune.
Girl, you're nice and clean, and make my car. Anything you do in this life, got me support you.
That girl there, they had a tight something they were flinging around this a while ago. I'm coming too far.
She say, you know me why?
But she, little girl, stop it. The reaction boss, I watch a video. Me see you now. Tappy, cap. Stop the blood clutch. Bumba clutch. Hold on. I'm look presentable. So just in case you watch a video. You know, the reaction boss. You don't know it's chopping. The one and only, you know. Covidly. Right through now, baby.
Nice and clean, and make my car.
Yeah.
Everything you do in this life, got me support you.
Yeah.
You see, be me and my arm, me
Girl them in the Benz. At the Benz, man, the girl them want. The girl them don't want the money I drive with the son. They know on Tyrekevlogs today, you know. And Medz boss, them are Medz. Yeah. Run tune.
Sit down on the thing with Medz man's skill. It's been a long time, so me have this feel. Me like how you
Dev. Ma give them lyrics low key. Alright, Medz boss, it's a bad little song, it's a cool little song. Song go on so far, me not like. But the man them will tell me that's a react to the song and the girls them will tell me react to the song and they don't know say yo, because the girl them have to send me over here though. And that's why they send me over here though. I mean no, say that's why they send me over here, so man, no joke.
right, so me can't forget you. Your body Z-Tex, so me not regret you. Just ring my iPhone when the boyfriend stress you.
But hear the lyrics, so I'm saying, well, I'm going to ring my iPhone when her boyfriend and stress her out, you know. But basically, she got on slow motion. Yeah. I touch back in the video a little bit. Just a little teeny bit. Yeah? Alright, watch your style, yeah? Alright. Now?
Oh, the Z-Tex, so me not regret you. Just ring my iPhone when the boyfriend stress you.
Yeah, girl, she say, yeah? Drop it. Yo, Bamba Clan! Drop it. Yo! Trinidad, them doesn't get them Trinidad. Yo, Red Road.
Girl, I told me need to see you. She touched on the beach, she not even fighting.
Yes, girl.
Get a good fuck, she
No, sir. Hi. She go to the sunroof for the dog and kick up on her foot, them so panic. See, yo, people, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I ain't reach 10,000 subscribers. More people need to see this. More people need to hear about Tyrekevlogs reaction boss. So subscribe if you're new over here. So subscribe to the channel and like the video. And take your mother phone, your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your side man, your side girl phone. And subscribe to the channel right now for the most lit reactions and the most vlogs and the most pranks and everything over here so lit. Subscribe. And comment your flag down below. Comment if you see your comment in the next video I'm going to post. Run tune.
good disciple. My bad girl, my side girl.
Yeah.
7 days in the week, the girl
wants me. Oh, hey, them start to the grind. You know, so when Jamaican man and woman are dancing. Them love that he pass dancing, you know. You must show why I do to you when you're molling in the bed. I saw when Jamaican are dancing one. They must show what they do to you in the bedroom. Them not just dance because they dance. They want to lift you up and turn around, sir, and have you stand and shake it like a tree because they must show what they do to you in the bed. But what land they dog? Them girls start and Trinidad girl them. I never see them go with that Trinidad. Because a Trinidad person, if you start record some Trinidad, this Trinidad saying when the Trinidad is not a real place. And I think I can start with that, you know. But I want to start the Jamaica one first, you know. I start the Jamaica one first. But run tune.
But she wants me.
Yeah. Hold on there, Swanee that? No, I'm sure I think Mrs. Swanee a while ago in that video.
She wants me.
Oh, and girl.
But she wants
No Swanee that? That's what I print so I know I say Trinidad people I'm ready to do now. I watch a full video of that. I can't hey yo, you know, we give you big ups in that. Big up for yourself, dog. Thank you for the love and support from Trinidad. You understand me? Besides, I can't do a Trinidad reaction every single day. You know what I mean? Because like 3% of my viewers are from Trinidad, you know what I mean? But more on the subscribe and the more on the watch video them. Don't know it chop already. But dog, Prince Swanee there and this you never know.
me. She burn her boyfriend cause you know
Well,
she
I know
want
one
me.
of them black girl. Watch out, dog. Hold on, let me go so like me go up more in the video so. Oh, alright. Watch out on the right. That's up on the right beside her Medz boss. She go fast, shake it, that's at all. Yeah!
You know me why girl, you nice and clean, and make my call you.
Blood clean. Hey, the Trinidad girl them bad no bumbo clot. Trinidad babies, oh no bad. Let me check how long the video because I know some don't want to make a video longer than 10 minutes already, you know. You see me as to sit where I run out of time, you know, dog. I run out of time, you know, dog. But the video too bad, dog. But I know I make it video extra and because I know something I like when I don't have a long thing for watch people are gonna watch the whole of the video, dog. Run through.
When this life got me support ya. Just see it be me and my arm on me wine. She boyfriend not cry cause she leaving me key.
You know, star. The man start push out the lyrics to me. I go through the man video, dog. John was star. Mad this thing. So much girl want give me one time. No, sir.
Take my call, yo. Anything you do in this life got me support ya. Just see it be me and my arm on me wine. Bad girl.
Side girl. 7 days of the week she want see me. Song you bad though, me not like people. Link to the original song down below in the description.
She fuck on that boyfriend because she want breathe for me.
I know she fuck on that. Yo, anyway people, link to the original song down below in the description if you never check it out yet and you can go pre it. Remember, subscribe to my channel for the most lit reactions them people. You understand me? You see if me have 10,000 subscribers, I don't care how long if you don't want to be in a dog. I make a reaction longer that long from now till tomorrow. Because I know some YouTube are going to my job. You stand there. I'm out.